get a smell. Ooh, it smells kind of gross. Like fried fish skin, maybe. Not very cheesy, even though it's supposed to look cheesy, I think. What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines. I'm here with another snack video. We're gonna try 6 or 7 more Filipino snacks and see how we like them. Today we're gonna do snacks from IloIlo in Bacolod. We got a lot last time we went. I think this is the second video for that place. So let's get started. First, let's try some mushroom chicharons. I don't know, you can see the package there. Mushroom chicharons, so I'm used to pork chicharons. It smells like, well, these are the chili cheese flavor. They do smell kind of cheesy. Let's look inside. They nice and fried. Little like mushroom ear here. It says it's made with oyster mushrooms. Let's give it a shot. A little spicy. It went to the back of my throat. Wow. They're good. Very salty. You can definitely tell they've absorbed a lot of oil, because while the outside is crunchy, the mushroom inside is very soft. And so I think it's got a lot of extra oil in it. In fact, it says it does have a lot of oil inside, but they have a lot of flavors: spicy, garlic, cheese, barbecue, sour cream, chili garlic, chili cheese, chili barbecue, cheesy garlic, salted egg, and bacon. Ton of snacks. This one's really great. Overall, I would say I wish it was crunchier, but I would give this a 7 out of 10. It's solid, very good. I would try it again. I would try maybe some other flavors they have, but this one's great. 7.0 out of 10. So next, let's try something sweet. This is from Panaderia de Molo. Molo is like a church and mansion and park there in, I think it's IloIlo. And this is like an old school panaderia. This is, what type of cookie is this? It's called Banadas, B-A-N-A-D-A-S, Banadas. It's got a nice little frosting on top. It looks good. Smells like a plain cookie. I had their other galetas and broas in one of the videos. It smells like that, but it's got a little like sugar coating. They're very big too. Wow. Very egg flavor. Very egg flavor. The frosting is pretty thick, considering how big the cookie is. The frosting is good. Super crunchy. Super crunchy. I like these. I think these are my favorite from them so far. Probably because it's a little sweeter with the icing on top. But I would give these a 8.1 out of 10. Nice and sweet, very eggy, which is nice because you know it's like really natural. I mean, the ingredients are flour, egg, sugar, salt, and lard. That's it. And not much lard either, because they're so crunchy. If there was a lot of lard, they would be softer. So, yeah, IloIlo's oldest bakery. I believe it. These are definitely super old school cookies. These are great. 8.1 out of 10. Next, let's try. These are from Bacolod. We went to IloIlo and Bacolod the same week. These are called Lubid. I should have looked up what that means. Maybe it has to do with the shape that they have, because they're little like tiny shakoy. They're like little spiral knots. It doesn't have much scent, like random baked good, like maybe a plain donut. They're nice. It's like a cereal. You can see inside there's like a bunch. Like you could definitely eat this with a bowl of milk. They have a nice little thin sugar coating on the outside. Nice and crunchy. This would be a perfect cereal, for real. I don't see a price. I forget how much we bought these for. I think this was maybe 50 pesos. So this would be a very expensive bowl of cereal, but these are maybe my favorite so far. I would say this is like a 8.8 out of 10. Lubid. I've never had these before. I've never seen them. Bong Bong is a very famous like pasalubong brand here. And apparently they're from Bacolod because we went to like the main facility there where they're doing all the baking. They were actually having the mascara festival when we were there. And so there's a lot of people dancing in the streets. These people are outside cooking piaya, which is another thing Bong Bong makes. Like little fried ube filled pancakes. Super amazing. Yeah, 8.8. Highly recommend these Lubid if you can get your hands on some. So far so good. What's next? Let's try fish crackers. I know this is from Mercy Bakery. Probably not authentic, but it was in the pasalubong center where we got the rest of these. This says fish crackers, but when you read the ingredients, fish is like the 10th ingredient. So I don't think there's much fish. Let's get a smell. Ooh, it smells kind of gross. Like fried fish skin, maybe. Not very cheesy, even though it's supposed to look cheesy, I think. You see, this kind of does kind of look like fish skin. Let's give it a shot. It's like crunchy, but also stale at the same time. I have no idea how old these are. It's still within date. But man, this is bad. It's like a super bad chip. Like if you took some Cheetos and just left them out on the counter for a week and then went back to eat them. Not great. No cheese flavor really. They do taste kind of fishy, but not in a good way. Yeah, I don't know. Mercy usually is known for good quality baked goods, but these are bad. I don't think I would eat these again. For a score, I'm gonna say maybe a 4.7. That might be my lowest score I've given. They're bad, yeah. This was only 40 pesos and it wasn't worth 40 pesos, for sure. Not a fan. If you come across these fish crackers, maybe you know a better brand, a better type of fish cracker. Let me know, I'll try some different ones. But these from Mercy, not it. We got a few more. I have quite a few pasalubongs. So next, let's go with, this is like a local peanut brittle. I actually have two kinds of peanut brittle. There's a darker version and a lighter version. You can see the color difference. This one is much more smoky. I think this one's more like just plain nut. I don't know if this one doesn't have full peanuts either. They're like crushed. Let's give it a smell. Just delicious peanut smell. Very light, very crunchy, breaks well. Some peanut pieces. I mean, it's full of peanuts. It's kind of greasy. Smells delicious. Not very crunchy, very chewy. It sticks in your teeth. I would say I'd like it to be crunchier. Maybe the other one is more crunchy. Still very oily, like there's grease all on my fingers. But it's really good. Very chewy, but still nice. I mean, overall, if you love peanut, this is from a place called De La Serna from Bacolod. I think Mary went to Roas I think that's Bacolod. It's like 3 or 4 hours away from Bacolod City. And what's that the name of the city? Sorry if I'm getting these names wrong. I know Roas is where she went. And I think she picked these up from a pasalubong place. Very good. These are nice. I'd say a 7.9 out of 10. Would definitely eat these again. Maybe if they were fresher, they'd be more crunchy. But very peanut, very like golden caramel flavor. Really nice. 7.9 for these. Next, while we're at it, let's try the other one. This is also De La Serna. This one's super sticky. It's like molasses. Oh my God. Maybe I'll just eat it off the plastic. Let's see. You can see it's full peanut pieces though. A little bit of plastic with it, but that's okay. Crunchier. Oh, a little bit burnt. These are definitely sucking the teeth. Wow, very dark. Tastes like molasses. I mean, I like the full peanuts because it tastes more peanutty, I think. You can see how like gooey. It's very nice. I think it's a little darker than I would make it. You can see it's almost black. I think if they did this like 1 minute less cooking, this would have been great. So sticky, so stuck like in my teeth like crazy. I'm gonna have to have some water, I think. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a drink of water. Oh yeah, wow. So this is nice. They have the same name. There's no like telling you what it is. It's just peanut brittle. This is a very common type of peanut brittle here in the Philippines where they make it super dark. They almost burn the sugar. And in fact, one of my cooking videos, I make this type of peanut brittle. I just make it crunchier. This is very sticky and soft. Mine is very crunchy like traditional peanut brittle, but it's dark like this. So it tastes a little smoky, but not quite as burnt as this. This is good. I think I like the other one, the lighter one, better. I would give this a 6.5. I would eat it again if someone had it at a party, but I don't know if I would get this again if I'm buying pasalubong for someone. Still good though. We got one more. I think this is my last snack from IloIlo and Bacolod. Next, we've got hojaldres. I don't know if you pronounce it like Spanish. Hojaldres. Hojaldres is probably how it's Filipino pronounced in the Philippines, but in Spanish it would be hojaldres. I'm American. I don't know, man. I'm sorry. So this looks like a little phyllo dough, very thin, crunchy, buttery. It's got some sugar on the outside. This is also from Panaderia de Molo. Let's get in here. Give it a smell. Very, very plain. Not even sweet, just like bread, plain bread. You can see the nice sugar crystals. Lots of nice layers inside. I bet this is gonna be very crunchy. It reminds me of the Lubid. It's like baked well. Like it's got a very, like the crust on bread, like how that's different flavor than the inside of the bread. Very good. A little bit of sugar on the outside is a nice touch. It's very plain though. I don't taste much egg flavor, which is a good change. They have the same ingredients as all the other snacks from Panaderia de Molo. So it's amazing how you can use the same ingredients and make, 20 different types of cookies. So these are nice. Hojaldres. I'm gonna give it another shot of guessing how you pronounce it. But these are nice. I would say this is a solid 7.3. Really like it. I don't know if I like it as much as these. What were these called again? These were Banadas. I think I like the Banadas more, but these are still good. So 7.3, I believe I said. This is great. The winner for today though is definitely the Lubid. They're like super crunchy, giant cereal shakoy. Like if you just made shakoy very tiny and very crispy, that's what this is. It's amazing. If you can get some Lubid, definitely do it, guys. So that's all my snacks from IloIlo Bacolod and our last trip out there. So if you have any recommendations, any places I missed, anything I should try next, let me know, guys. I'm always happy to try more snacks. So thanks a lot. We'll see you later. Bye.